I got this question from a prednisone warrior. And so I'm going to read her email and then answer these questions about vitamin D and elderberry. She says, Dear Dr. Megan, as a PMR sufferer, I can't tell you how helpful your videos have been for me. I am currently on 6 milligrams of prednisone, split 3 tablets morning, 3 afternoon. Your video on the value of vitamin D is very intriguing. If you'd like to watch that right now, check it out. I have 2 questions for you. I am taking 25 micrograms of vitamin D3, cholecalciferol, plus 40 micrograms more from my calcium supplement. Which vitamin D blood test should I request my rheumatologist to order? He checks my calcium levels, which are normal. That's good. Number 2, I learned from you that turmeric is not a good supplement for me to take, and I have discontinued it. Do you have any information on taking Sprouts elderberry capsules as a supplement? I have been taking a single Sprouts elderberry capsule as a daily supplement. 2 capsules are recommended, which is 750 milligrams of elderberry fruit and 200 milligrams of elderflower. Is taking elderberry as a supplement a good idea? Should I take the full dose of 2 capsules? Many thanks, your fan. Okay. All right. So let's answer that first question because that's super easy. It's also in this video if you want to watch it. But essentially, the vitamin D test that everyone should get your doctor to order, or you can order on my website, check out this link, is called 25 hydroxy vitamin D. It's also 25-OH vitamin D. But essentially, 25 hydroxy vitamin D is the blood test, and then you can know exactly how healthy your vitamin D level is so that you can decide whether and how much you need to supplement vitamin D. The doctors who prescribe prednisone the most say everyone should be supplementing vitamin D into a normal range. So check out that video for more details. Back to question number 2. I learned from you that turmeric is not a good supplement. And what about Sprouts elderberry capsules? So what I did is I looked up prednisone and elderberry in the Natural Medicines database. They have a really super cool interaction checker tool, and this is a really expensive database to have access to, so you're getting it for free from me. And the combination says, be cautious with this combination. The severity is moderate. The occurrence is possible, and level evidence is B. So that's pretty good evidence. Theoretically, elderberry might interfere with immunosuppressant therapy due to its immunostimulant activity. Elderberry has immunostimulant activity, increasing the production of cytokines, including interleukin and tumor necrosis factor. So essentially, if you are taking prednisone for its immunosuppressant purposes, then elderberry might be fighting against it. So it's probably not the best combination to take, according to the Natural Medicines database. Essentially, if you're taking prednisone for something like an organ transplant, where you absolutely cannot be messing with how prednisone is being an immunosuppressant, you do not want to reject your organs. Or in your case, you said you have PMR. Part of how it is helping with your PMR is through turning down these interleukins and tumor necrosis factors. So you want to give it a chance to turn those down. Let the prednisone do its job. I would avoid elderberry if it were me while on prednisone. I hope that helps. And if you'd like more things to avoid, not just turmeric and elderberry, check out my video of 7 or more things to avoid. It's had over 100,000 views on YouTube. Signing off is Dr. Megan, your prednisone pharmacist.